Hi there! Welcome to Fordeer. In the previous video, we learned how to change the logo on invoice templates and achieve a basic level of branding. Today, we have a quick tutorial on how to create an invoice for an order. Let's dive right in and walk through this together. You can download invoices either from within the app or directly through the Shopify admin. Start by going to the Orders section on the sidebar menu in the app. You can choose any order you want and then download or print from the order drop-down page. In case you want to view the invoice first, click on the order to open the order details page, and then choose to download or print documents as needed. Similarly, you can definitely download from the order section on Shopify admin. Choose the order you want and download and print from the order page here or on the product detail page. That's how you can easily download and print orders with the Fordeer PDF invoice generator. Just choose the method that works best for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.